This is the most futuristic city I have ever seen and no one ever mentions this place. Welcome to Changsha in China.
Wow. And the room has a jacuzzi, and this is where people can sit and discuss when you have a guest. And this is a view of the sea. Wow. Changsha is really beautiful, it's really amazing, yeah. Take photo there too, yeah. Wow. That's amazing. What's up guys, this is Foreigner. On today's video we are going to Changsha. So basically this is Wuhan. It will take us 1 hour 30 minutes from Wuhan to Changsha. Changsha is one of the most beautiful and vibrant city in China. So please stay tuned. Let me take you guys along.
陆家嘴到了，开左边门，下车请注意安全。
Just arriving in Changsha. So basically, I kept my bag here. Wow. Because my bag is very big, so I don't know how we're gonna lift this bag up. Oh, yeah, this is the bag. Oh, dollar. Oh, yeah, we just arrived. So this is like an escalator. We are going downstairs, so we can take our like taxi to the hotel here. But I have to check like the address. Let's see if metro will be. If the hotel is far from the station, then we have to use metro. And if like it's not far, we can use taxi from the station here. This is like the escalator. You can see many Chinese people are using it because it's more easier when you have a lot of luggage. Wow. Chinese people always smoke. Immediately they arrive, you can use an escalator. Wow. So I've already checked the address, so we don't have choice, we need to use subway. Yeah, you can see people are just coming out from different angles here. So this is the exit. We have to like use the right side because we are using passport. Yeah. Wow. I think we are using ID card. Huja. Yeah. So yeah, he has like put it inside. You can see how it is. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Hey. Yeah. It's pretty simple, yeah, but it's more simpler for Chinese people, yeah. So anyways, we are outside, so you can see the board which says if we are going to uh, subway, or if we are using subway or bus or taxi, bushy, or taxi or city bus, you're gonna go straight there. So you can see we'll be using subway to go into hotel here. So I'll catch you guys at the subway station. Chinese subway is indeed a market. Oh, so anyway, here we are. This is my metro card. We need to be fast. Now we take our line. Chinese subway is a customer service. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. The way people feel very comfortable and safe in this country. It's just something else, yeah. In some way, people are just behaving like we are at home. That's amazing. So we are at the station. Hello. Hello. Hello.
我介绍。
哦，这个我的朋友。
弟弟还是牛逼的。
Yeah. Chinese kids is shocked to see a foreigner. When you hear why go in China, that means a foreigner. Yeah. So we are at the station now. We are going to Wuyi Square. So anyway, I'll get you guys when we arrive here. Yo guys, we just arrived at Changsha city. Yeah, the city is very beautiful. It's really amazing. Yeah, I've already fallen in love with the city. So now we have to take a taxi to our hotel. Then I will give you guys the tour of the hotel. Yeah, but then I need to give you guys a little tour of this place. Yeah, I feel like the place is very amazing and it's beautiful. Yeah. So basically, this is like a shopping center where you can see different brand of shoppings, and the market is here. So this is like the roadside.
This is the most futuristic city I have ever seen, and no one ever mentions this place. Welcome to Changsha in China, and it is the closest thing I have ever seen to cyberpunk in real life. There are crazy displays of neon lights, core sculptures hanging off the shopping centers, and the amount of photo opportunities are endless.
Changsha Wuyi Square is a popular shopping area known for its variety of shops, boutiques, and restaurants. It is a lively and bustling place where you can find both local and international brands like Apple Store, Samsung, and different kind of Chinese brand. Whether you are looking to shop for clothes, accessories, there are plenty of options to choose from. Additionally, Wuyi Square is surrounded by other attraction places such as parks, cultural sites, make it a great place to spend a day exploring and enjoying this amazing city. So I'm happy to be here, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Let's explore this
My
place
hotel is just
together.
one kilometer from here. That means my hotel is at city center, yeah, because as you can see here should be the city center of Changsha, and here is like Apple Store. This place look like the Apple Store in my city, which is Shenyang. That's really amazing. And this is the roadside. So if you want to shop, anytime you come to Changsha, if you want to shop groceries, anything, just come to this street. There are a lot of things. If you want to hang out, eat food, restaurants, enjoy, make friends, this side is for you. Let's go. Wow. Oh. This should be. There is a statue at that place. I don't know the history of it, but I should find out. Yeah. Because any city you see in China, any city in China, you see a statue, and people are taking photo at the place. That means the person has done a lot for China, and he's one of the people that contribute to the society and everything. Yeah. And you can see people are taking photo at the place. So let's go and see if we can take photo there too. Yeah. Wow, that's amazing. I'm already in love with Changsha. I'm in love, yeah. Wow. I'm already smiling, yeah. Hello. Yeah, from here you can see people are taking photo at that side, which is really amazing, yeah. 这个免费
10块
哦，免费。
，money
外国人免费。
中国不免费。
Yeah, so the place is really amazing. And this is like a Chinese building, and you can see, you can watch Chinese news from here. Yeah. Let's see this television. You can see Chinese news, and many adverts are done here, which make it amazing. Yeah. Wow. And here's like a police. This is like a police bike. So any place in China you have to see police because safety first. They like their people first. Yeah. So it is very amazing. So now I hope you guys enjoy this little tour. We are going to the hotel. I'll give you guys my hotel tour. Yo, we just arrived at the hotel now, so we have to check in. Then I'll take you guys along. Oh, anyhow. Pooja. First you give passport. And secondly, 2 people. You give your booking. Passport. 你的英语很好。
会一点点。
对。
陈医生。
Yeah, her English is very good. So this is the view from where we have to check in. You can see the city of Changsha. Wow, that's amazing. Actually, I will have more and more vlogs in this city. Yeah, we need to do more vlogs because I like this city very much. The view is amazing here, and I hope my hotel room view will be more excellent than this year. So anyway, we are at the check-in. We have given her our passport. She has to fill out a document. Yeah, I feel like this one she can speak English a little, so it will be very easier for us to check in here. And these are more of the activities you can do in Changsha. So anyhow, yeah, I'll catch you guys at the room. 这个 window no. This house. Window 在哪里？ Yeah, this too is amazing. Yeah, but we need to pay extra money for window room. Yeah, so let's check it out.
这间就可以免费给你们升级，它是全景的。
这是免费的？
是的。这个就不用交钱。
Wow, the toilet is amazing. This is a view from the toilet, which is good. Yeah. And here's the shower. Here's like a mirror. 这个免费 哦
是的。
哦，好了，我喜欢这个。
好，那就我帮你们把时间弄过来了。
对，
空调，我先开到18度啊，到时候你们自己再调一下啊。
好了好了。
我开到18了。再等一下，我把你行李弄过来啊。
That's amazing. So finally we secure this, and these are some of the hotels, part of the hotel here with jacuzzi, and you can see the view of the sea. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, let me give you guys a little tour. Wow. And the room has a jacuzzi, and this is where people can sit and discuss when you have a guest. And this is a view of the sea. Wow, Changsha is really beautiful. It's really amazing. Yeah, but this is not my room. My room is close to this expensive room. I don't know how much it is, but let's go and pick up our bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know your guys' pleasure. I'll catch you guys in another vlog. Thank you very much. Peace.